Chef Eric Anderson, Executive Chef at David Soundview Catering in Stamford, Connecticut, overlooking Long Island Sound. And today we're going to be making an Asian seaweed salad. The ingredients are marinated and baked tofu. This is a steamed sushi rice. This is nori, julienne. We also have wasabi oil, green matcha, which is a green tea powder, also a salad oil, and a nice light white soy sauce. We'll take a little bit of the wasabi oil, put it in the bottom of the dish. We'll take our green matcha, which is really just nothing more than powdered green tea. The matcha mixes with the oil, and it'll come out a nice green color. We'll toss our rice in. A little bit of white soy, a little bit of seasoned mirin. We'll toss that together. You'll notice that the size of the rice is very short and round. This is a classic sushi rice. Has great texture to it. So we'll start off, we'll place some rice on the plate. We'll add some tofu, and we'll garnish it with some nori. Now this could all be tossed together in a bowl and served as a salad, or it can be served like components to a salad like this. So that's the Asian seaweed salad. This is Chef Eric Anderson, Executive Chef at David Soundview Catering in Stamford, Connecticut, overlooking Long Island Sound. Enjoy.